Uh. Yeah.
I guess some of the challenges that the Māori water faces in council is and in particular for me, like if I'm being really honest, I'm young and I'm a wahine, so that's like 3 crosses. Like if you currently look at what young elected members, and I'll give an example, is Ben Bell in Gore. He's young but he's Pākehā. He gets a rough time. You know, young elected members and wahine in local government get a really rough time. But when you're young and you're a wahine and you're Māori, it sometimes have brutality attached to it that you have to safely navigate. And so I guess for me, I'm really conscious of always going back to my whānau, my hapu for support, and staying connected. And like I feel really lucky when I walk into the chambers. So tangibly, right, Pākehā will see that there's one person sitting at the table, but we as Māori know that we carry our people with us. So I feel really full when I sit there, and I'll manage it in a way where it could be tangible things like this taonga here that I wear in the chambers every time, and it's from the 12 marae, and they each put a karakia and spoke into it and gifted this to me. So I'll wear it as a level of protection, but also as a set of tikanga and guidance for me of why I'm there. And yeah, it has its challenges. It has its challenges as a wahine, being youthful and being Māori. But I also think that you can only, a hapori can only grow and get better when it is challenging. It would be pretty boring if it was complacent, right? So yeah.